Well, didn't find it's not super big, the giant super big this time, and why I'm dropping like this. And it has a marked on my map. It should be like right over there. I'll show you guys. I'd say right about over there. You need focus. You're focused now. On the water screen. Oh, well, that's a fish. Okay, it's a fish. Bruh. Oh, is it seriously just up here? Is it? That wasn't even what I was looking for. Is it below us? Is it below us? Is it supposed to be below us? Is this a joke? Wait, this game just trolled me.
How did your training session at the dojo go then, Chase?
Oh, I haven't got round to it yet. But I'll get right onto it.
Are you serious? Was this a troll? Is Wonderheart taking over Lego City? Are you serious? Is this a joke? Is this honestly a joke? Are you serious? This is a joke, right? Oh, I can't even get that. I can't even get that. I can't even get that. No. This is such a troll. The game's a troll. JK. Seriously, this is a troll. Oh gosh. I think I can get this one. I'm not sure, but they trolled me super hard. They trolled me. Wonderheart took over Lego City. That ruined my life. Ooh, whoa. Can I get up here? I can get up here. Oh, I have enough. Wait. Ooh, oh, I have way more than enough. Is there seriously another? If there is, I'm honestly about to go. I can just put that there. Let's see what I can find. See what cars I can find. Ah, it's just over there. I've never driven a truck.
Police business.
Actually, maybe I did. If you consider a police car truck thing.
Ooh, that sounded expensive.
Look how many stars that is. So it looks right. Oh, I got so many studs. Let's see. Okay, Kung Fu. Really? No, you're sort of non-focus. I don't even know what's wrong with the camera. I think this blue line there. Focus, bruh. Almost done. Okay.
Barry Smith. 24-hour plumber and kung fu guru. Unblocking pipes and chakras since 1987. Huh. It's worth a try.
I need to get that open. Wonder if I could use that.
Just a tiny little piece of
The
that.
key's in there.
That super build needs a lot of bricks.
Nope, not a lot. Because I'm boss. There's like something there. Come on, I need firecrackers. Hashtag James Bond, Skyfall, hand movie. Oh, dynamite, we need dynamite.
Why would they keep hat stands outside?
Slowly does it.
Ooh. Where's the last one? Come on, where is it? Where is it? Ooh, I found it. I only know it's in the pile. So simple. Oh gosh, my battery's running out of my iPad. Oh, oh, wait, can I use the firecracker on here? No. Ooh.
Maybe a little teeny weeny piece of that.
Mmm. Was that part of a shield? Something? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Be calm. Don't go too fast.
Oh. Torch.
Oh yeah. These
When I get out of here, I'm gonna complain to the manufacturers of these torches. They last like 10 seconds.
Firecracker?
Close. That torch only just burned long enough for me to get here.
Firecracker. party.
Slowly does it. Be calm.
Calm, cool, and collected. Keep calm and trick shot. I finally
Don't
made it.
go too fast. Dragon! No! Not my sculpture! Oh!
Yowzers! And I thought Dunby had bad breath.
I think I'm gonna end the episode right there. I'll see you next episode, and goodbye. Bye. Wait, let me pause it and bye.